We have been through so much in our 6.5 years together. Even after all that time, each and every time I look into your beautiful green eyes, I fall more in love with you. I couldn't imagine where my life would be without you by my side. You bring out the best of me, and damn it! And I appreciate you so much for it. You truly are the sweetest, most genuine, loving, and gorgeous person I have ever met. When my mom passed away all of those years ago, I lost a huge part of my life. Since the first time we went on our date, you have brought that joy back into my life and in my heart, and I'm so thankful for it. I know my mom loves you, and I can't wait to officially make you part of the Pearson family, as I am going to join the Bilski family. Can't wait to see what our future is in store. Can't wait to see what is in store for us. Love you to the moon and back. Your husband, Levi. P.S. Can't wait to see that dress on you. Oh my god. This was way better than mine.